What is Beauty of Food by Hanan? This is one of the most comprehensive nutritional guides today, packed with a vast array of beauty tips and recipes, to help ladies look younger and more beautiful naturally. The guide is offered in the form of an ebook and is composed by Hanan. The recipes contained in this program are based on affordable and easily available ingredients, most of which you could get from the comfort of your kitchen. Most of the recipes and beauty tips included in the Beauty of Food ebook have been tested and proven to be effective. The writing style is also interesting as it appears as though you are talking to the author directly. One of the best features of this guide is its affordability. For a comparatively low cost, Hanan will present you with some of the most effective beauty tips to help you maintain a younger, more beautiful and healthier skin. If you want to learn real things about the Beauty of Food program, please go to the website at the link in the video description.